Hello. Welcome to SmatBot. Let's understand how to navigate SmatBot analytics.
In the SmatBot dashboard, click on the Analytics icon for your bot. Select the type of chat analytics you wish to view, the channel, and the date range. You can print or download the report. Click on Show to view the report. Lead generation bot are measured in leads. The metrics are number of visitors, their unique interactions, leads generated within this date range, total number of leads, booked appointments, interaction, lead generation rate and leads. Daily leads and visitors' timings can be analyzed. The user's feedback can be analyzed with bar or pie chart specific to the bot question. You can analyze the top 10 external and internal lead sources. Customer support bots are measured in tickets. The metrics are number of visitors, their unique interactions, tickets generated within this date range, total number of tickets, user satisfaction score, booked appointments, users' positive and negative response rate, and WhatsApp-related conversations. Daily tickets, overall session ratings, visitors' timings can be analyzed. Users' feedback can be analyzed with bar or pie chart, specific to the option selected by the user in the bot question. You can analyze the top 10 external and internal lead sources. It includes bot and live chat sessions, first response time, customer satisfaction rate, attended, unattended, resolved, and unresolved chat. Daily live chats, overall session ratings, visitors' timings can be analyzed. Also, you can analyze the agent-wise performance with the type of chat. The entire status of the agent handling chats is displayed here. It includes sent, delivered, read, fail templates, business and user-initiated conversations and their unique interactions. Also, WhatsApp templates responses as well as error responses can be analyzed. Congratulations, you have successfully learned to navigate analytics.